The purpose of today's tutorial is to show the advantages of the DFM Now Shop Now PCB Marketplace. Now, one thing about DFM Now is that it's a completely independent CAM tool for being able to verify your printed circuit board designs and being able to use netlist extraction, DFM checks, and everything else of that nature. But one other wonderful feature that it does provide, and again, all these features are free of charge, is our Shop Now PCB Marketplace. The advantage of the Shop Now PCB Marketplace is that it's built with the independent idea in mind, whereas this tool and this program is not related to any one particular board shop. So it gives you, the designer, an opportunity to easily, with 2 clicks of the mouse, be able to send out a quotation to various board shops, which in return will be able to give you the best pricing available. You'll be able to determine what features may best benefit you, and also gives you a chance to explore and try other printed circuit board shops that maybe you're not familiar with, but being able to, with just a click, again, getting the quotations back. So let me show you how the process works. In this case, I've already performed from the previous tutorial the complete DRC checks. My board is passed, so now I'm ready to go start the Shop Now quotation process. Alright, first thing I'll do is click on the Shop Now PCB Marketplace button here. What this does is it brings up our nice, simple, easy to use tutorial. Now, if you'd like to watch this movie or anything else of that nature, just click this link and you automatically are able to display this tutorial again. All that you're required to do is enter in your board name, and I'm just going to make up a name for this example. 2231 panel board, Rev 1. And again, this is just for my own purposes. You determine what quantity would I like to have of these boards for the quotation, and also enter in the turnaround time. Now you can always adjust the quantity, so in case here you see that there's a quantity of 10, well, if I wanted 11, then it's just as easy to type it in there. What's nice about the DFM Now is that it automatically extracts all the information from your board already, because you've ran the DFM checks. It knows everything about your board, so it already knows the number of layers on the board, and then here are pretty much the generic settings that you can assign yourself, such as you want a different thickness of the board or change the material. That's all up to you. Again, there's other options, so if your board has gold fingers or anything else of that nature, or you have anything specific, you can enter it here. In addition, if you have any special notes, anything you want to tell the printed circuit board manufacturers, simply enter it in here. And also file attachments. A lot of times what designers will do is just simply attach their README file, which contains all the specific information, or they may want to attach Gerber's drills or anything else of that nature. However, the Shop Now PCB Marketplace will actually send a copy of this DFM Now workspace to the printed circuit board manufacturer, so they'll be well aware of all the information on your board. So actually the Gerber and drills are not even necessary. Alright, after I've decided to enter in my board name, turn time, the board information details, my options, now I'm ready to just press next. Alright, and here goes the case where I can select all the particular board manufacturers that I may want to choose. And you also are able to choose by location, such as if you want just Asian or North American only. So in this case, I'll just decide that, hey, I'm going to send out quotations to all these companies. And you'll see here, these are all world-class companies for printed circuit board manufacturing. So our goal to make sure that they're all high-end and will give you great quality. And again, there's no charge or anything else for this service. All you simply need to do here is select whatever particular manufacturers you'd like to have a quotation from. If you'd like to add one, if you don't see a manufacturer on the list, simply click this button, enter in your particular manufacturer, and we'll receive your information and follow up and see if we can add them to the list here. But that's it. Click send. Great. And now you'll see that your RFQ quotation was sent to all these companies all at once. You don't have to worry about minimum spacing, minimum tracing, or any other information report to the printed circuit board user again, because DFM Now has done all this for you. So in this one simple process, it's completed the entire quotation for you. So now you're able to just sit back and wait to receive the emails from these companies with the quotation prices. Thank you very much.